Hello friends, welcome to my channel hobbiesbinder with another new episode. Today I will be sharing with you DIY wall hanging idea using fabric colors and a fabric used bag. Before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video, please do like and share. So in order to draw a auto rickshaw, I searched in Pinterest to get a better idea. So now place the frame in the center of your bag and mark the circle. So now after drawing the circle, draw the design on a piece of paper so that it falls inside the circle. Now using the carbon paper, trace the design on your fabric. As you can see, I am using a stippling tool instead of pencil because the pencil nibs are very sharp and you cannot trace the design. So now you can color your design using any favorite color, but before starting the coloring, make sure that you draw the borders using black fabric, because we have traced the drawing using the carbon paper, so it might disappear. Completing the outlines, now it's time for filling it with colors. fabric and your design, your frame is ready to hang. So friends, if you like this video, please do like and share, and don't forget to comment me below, and stay tuned and connected for more amazing videos.